Okay, good morning, y'all. I know you haven't seen me in a while. I am going to be checking. I have one basket of potatoes that are ready. The other basket is not totally dry, but I had them sitting in two different locations, so one basket wasn't getting as much sun, but the other basket's ready. So let's see what we get. We're all gonna see together. Your guess is gonna be as good as mine. Anything's better than nothing, right? Oh, got a little potato. Take it. Another baby potato. Another little baby. Oh, they are tiny. That's okay. I can still make some homemade potato soup. Oh my gosh, I got more than I thought. So, little one here, another little one. There's a little one. Oh, that ain't no bigger than a walnut, but we'll take that. There's a little one. The little baby. Well, that's one of the biggest ones so far. That's enough to make soup. That's a little peanut. Oh, there's another one. Too little.